In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto to an external wallet address from crypto.com on desktop. First, open your browser and go to the official crypto.com website. Click Login in the top right corner, enter your email and password, complete any 2FA or email code, and once you're in, go to your account/wallet or balances page where you can see your coins. Next, find the crypto you want to send, for example BTC, ETH, or USDT, and click on it. On the asset page, look for a button like Withdraw, Send, or Transfer. Then choose External Wallet Address or External Withdrawal as the destination. Now you'll need the wallet address from the external wallet or exchange. In that other platform, tap Receive for the same coin, copy the deposit address, and make sure you note the correct network. Go back to crypto.com on desktop, paste the address, select the matching network, and enter the amount you want to send. Review the network fee, coin, address, and network carefully, then confirm and pass the final security checks. You can track the status in your transaction or withdrawal history until it's completed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.